My favorite things. Hey boy, my favorite thing has to be my new tablet. It's really light and quite small, so I take it with me everywhere. I'm always writing messages to friends, and it's big enough to do college for on it too. It takes really good photos, and I play games and listen to music on it as well. Of course, I often download films onto it and watch them in bed. My mom says I edit because I'm always on it. I overread things on it at breakfast time. I'm not allowed to at dinner time. Talk I have to be polite and talk to people when welcome back to real life, my mom says. Be girl. My favorite things, do my cat count as a thing? She's not really a thing, but anyway, she's really beautiful little cat. I've had her since she was 4 months old. You know how some cats are really independent and hardly talk to you. I know cats don't really talk, but you know what I mean. Well, she's not like that at all. She's really affectionate and comes up to me as soon as I get home, purring away like mad. She makes a lot of noise for a teeny thing. She loves being stroked and comes and curls up next to me when I'm not the sofa. She's great company. See, boy. My new scooter is quite small but fun. And just what I need for getting around the city. I used to have quite a long walk to the metro. Then I longly luggage walk at the other end to get to college. But now I can choose which they're on my scooter. And there's no problem parking, there's always space for it. You have to be careful with the cars and lorries. They don't always see you, and when it rains, the surface of the road is terrible. It gets really slippery, but in general, it's perfect for me, and I can fit a friend on the back too. I've got an extra helmet for a friend. It's great. Reading along makes me feel so free. The girl. This mic sound a bit old, finish it. But my sewing machine is my favorite thing. I'm studying fashion and love making things, as well designing them. I also love clothes myself and after buy second-hand clothes. Everyone loves the vintage. Look at the moment and then I adapt my size. It's much easier using a machine to do that than doing it by hand. I do a lot alteration for my mom and my sister too. If I don't make it as a designer, I suppose I can always set up my own alteration and customing business. Customizing clothes by taking things off and adding things on is actually very creative, so I will mean that. Hey boy, my set of Japanese knives sound a bit sinister, doesn't it? But I'm not a murderer or anything. They're chef's knives and the best ones come from Japan. Cooking is my new hobby. I got into it when I started watching MasterChef on TV. Then I went to an evening class for beginners and I haven't looked at by since. I try and have a dinner for between 4 and 8 friends every 2 or 3 weeks. That gives me something to work towards and I always do new dishes so they can try them out and give me feedback. It's quite an expensive hobby if you use good ingredients, but now my friends help towards the cost. They still get a good meal for a very low price.